wah, 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 wah. 4K. Yeah, I'm here. We gotta cut them joint. Y'all know who it is. Look who's back from the army. Y'all know who it is. Y'all seen him on the channel, but look what he brought with him. Look what he brought with him. Oh my! He got the G with the Nismo wheels.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Take a little purple on the wheel though. Yeah.
Little purple caps on the wheel.
Yeah. Hey, the back need a little bit work though before showing that too.
Showing the back, the booty.
Had to put up the quads.
But y'all gotta see
Had to put up
the
quads.
quads.
Yeah.
Okay, start that thing up, man. Go ahead, start this thing up.
I don't like your neighbors anyway. I'm gonna rev it up. You good?
Yeah, man. There's his back, y'all. Brought the whip out. Testing. Just a little bit. Not too crazy. Yo! VQ boys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's lit, guys. I said pull. We got today, bruh.
It's good, y'all. It's your boy, fucking Mo Games. Oh, I mean the curse, but it's Mo Games, feel me? So I know it's been a while, but you know, in the army, gotta do big things, you feel me? Got a little time to myself. Came back to DMV.
Yes, sir. Yes,
It's
sir.
your boy, you feel me?
Got the G right here.
Yo, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So today we just going, you know, simple intake installment. Tomorrow I got something special. Yeah, man. Stay tuned.
Let's get it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got the stock intake right here.
Man, we don't like stock over here.
We don't do no stock over here.
Hey, check my man's one out.
What the fuck is this? What the? It's a
Yeah.
dildo. It's like,
It's a deal, dude. Black Lives Matter. It's like,
he about to take it off. Look at my man's. Go ahead. Yes, sir.
ching, ching, chong.
This nigga said ching.
Yeah, bro,
So today we about to install an intake, aftermarket intake. Which kind is it?
Oh, I can bring it out.
Let's go take a look. Let's go see what it is.
See what it is, right?
See what it do. What it do. Y'all already know how wild we about to get. This is pre-H2O prep right here. Y'all know September we gonna make it litty too titty.
Litty big old big titty.
We gonna get funky with it. So, oh yeah, it's the Z1 intakes. I'm dumb as shit.
Bang
The
bang.
Z1 intakes just
Shout
like
out to
me.
them Chinese folk, them Coronas. You feel me? It's like, nah, that's a Z.
Got the Z1 intakes, guys. Just like me. Coopers. It's red, all red, or
This is red.
what other part is red? That's the filter. Holy
That is a
shit!
That's a tip right there.
So the Z1 filter is fat as hell, bruh. The joint about to sound nice as crap after this.
Yeah, that don't make sense since February.
Since February. So that's the filter right here. That joint fat as hell. But yeah, I mean, short round. Take that joint out. I think that's Anthony, just in case. Hell nah, it's not Anthony. That's another Ching.
Oh no.
He said it racist as hell, bro.
Another Ching.
He said another Ching.
That's the new name, bro. See that?
So, only problems he had with this so far was new battery, new alternator. That was it. Other than that, good G, low miles, 04. Good Z1 inside. Verbal drive. Oh, burnout. Oh, I'm telling y'all, wait till H2O. Y'all see how it looks right now. Wait till H2O, bro. It won't even look the same. It won't look the same.
Give me a couple sticks.
Couple stickers. And then you got slow ass, nah. Z. Trash, as it says on the side. Hasn't been moved in weeks. Look who just pulled up. Look who just pulled up. Look who just pulled up. Yeah! Yeah! Coronavirus! My blood. We got the OG crew back.
Got the bloody red Corolla.
What's
I'm out.
Gucci? What's good? Oh, shoot, almost tripped. Yes, sir. Bill time.
I just got wait for JB.
Now it's just one more, JB. I'm not gonna do 4K. All right, so we got the first little part off. It's 2 little push pins right there. Right now, we're about to pop the duct off.
Y'all heard Taco Tuesday?
Screw all these. Yeah. Screw all these back here. Take these other screws off. It's literally easy, guys. It's not really that hard.
Just snap
So,
away.
I'm not trying to. I'm gonna show y'all what they do, you know, on the side. But also, there's another one right here.
All right, so it's a.
But honestly,
You don't need it anyway.
you won't need it anyways.
I'm about to do it in intake B. Oh shit. Okay. What
Guess it's not the spot.
the fuck? I won't break this.
Oh,
Tight squeeze.
oh shoot. Sounds like something fell.
The little old clips.
Oh.
Yeah. Is there another one on the other side too?
I already got that one.
I know the red case is.
Oh, it's the right one too.
Okay.
Hold on, some of that 10 action. That's what you need, B.
Wait, hold.
Yeah.
You know how the makeup tutorials they have.
Oh,
their-
they be like, yeah, that's what you need, baby. Yes. Oh, this shit should work.
I have another kit right here too. And then I have like, oh, what the
hell is that?
bruh? Is the spider still alive? Oh no. We have these 2 old school clamps connected to it. You screw it on both sides, get it out. The old
This-
map sensor.
That ain't even old school. That's like some Japanese.
Oh yeah, some
That
Japanese.
ching chong.
They had the, you know, that specialty order over there. Order.
Order. Chicken fire wild.
Yes, Daddy, pull it harder.
Pull on hard, daddy. Pull on harder. Harder. You're such a weak bitch.
Now show me that hole.
Look at that gaping hole. Gaping. Gaping. Yeah.
Wow, and shit. See, we almost done taking it off.
Yes, Daddy. Oh god. Oh, you need pliers, right?
Oh yeah, to get the clamp on. There it is, guys. That thing is huge. Look at this powerful
6-pack.
VQ engine.
D6-pack.
Yeah, we don't use the covers. We build race cars over here. We don't use no engine cover. Forget that. So now it's just to take this little cap
Damn,
off
bro.
right here.
You need to get
That,
a.
and then we'll put this new intake on. Let's get it.
Start your engines, they say.
And about to go to work. Yeah. Alright, so this is how it's looking right now. Got the couplers on. Look at this joint. That joint's sweet.
Clean.
Couplers on. Couplers, whatever it's called. Got the 2 clamps. Clamp. That big looking sweet. Yes, sir. Yeah. Slight 2-step action real quick. Scared the shit. Oof. So here's the intake, guys.
Bro,
Look at that.
it's not supposed to go through it. You can take it off. You can take this off. Take this off. This is not supposed the whole. You're not supposed to take this apart. So try and get this back on exactly how you got it, because I don't know how it was. I mean, it was. But
off
what
already.
happens is
Like sandwiches.
it sandwiches, and as you tighten it, it clamps it like this. You see what I'm saying? So it's gonna clamp onto. It's gonna tighten onto this. Oh man, good thing you here, man. I'm out here going crazy. I'm about to break this joint. Yeah, so
Figured out how to use
so
that.
it's gonna fit.
now.
It's gonna fit. All right, man. We can actually
This
put
intake is
that
fire.
means you can put this back on to the other piece. All right, bet.
So the intake is finally finished. The heat shield is on.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Oh,
see, this thing
that
is
part goes in
nasty.
like that?
So that bolted in over here.
Oh, that's what the extra piece is.
Yeah.
Oh.
This came down here. Old airbox in the front. All we have to do is just turn it on now. How you feeling about it? How you feel? How you feel?
Fast guy.
Yeah. All you have to do is turn it on. Let's see. The moment of truth. The moment of truth.
Wait. Hold up. All cameras ready?
Hold on, I'm on IG.
All right.
Ooh. Ooh. Rev it one time. Ooh. That joint sounds sick, bruh. Ooh. Huh? I got you. Actually, I'm gonna attach it when you go. Hey, bruh. It changed the whole sound of the car.
Bro, you should get it. Actually,
Oh, close the hood for me.
what?
Close the hood. Yo, y'all, this joint sounds nasty. It changed the whole sound, guys. Y'all see from the beginning of the video. So he's about to test it real quick. You gotta pull. You gotta pull. You gotta pull. Pull. I said pull. Ooh. Yo, that joint sounds like a OCVQ now.
Pull up foreigns back to back, back to back, back to back to back, and hop out with them racks, yeah, with them big old racks. Hey, shout out to my set, you see the